Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. By the title of today's video, you guys already know that I'm taking you through and showing you how to make a do-it-yourself toddler learning tower. I'm the type of person who, if I see something that I like and I know I can make it, I just can't get myself to buy it. So with that in mind, I knew that I could make this project work at a much affordable price. If you're not a builder, it's okay. Just ask your husband to show him this video. It honestly is not that hard of a project. Now the funny thing is I'm saying this like it's super easy, but the person who really made this project work was my husband. He is the builder in our home. Anytime I see something that I know he can make, he makes it. So first off, I just wanted to show you guys the tools that we used in this project. I know that there are other tools out there that are probably a lot more easier for this project, but because we live in a rental space, we just don't have places to put things like a work table or saws or drills or other types of things. We just don't have that much space to store it. So we're working with what we got, and that's what you guys can do too. Work with what you have, and let's start on this project. We use these measurements on this photo as a guide for our project, although we are not making the exact replica of the stool in this photo. The first thing to do on our list is to cut the wood pieces for our project. Adam is laying out all his cut pieces to make sure every piece was even. He is also getting an idea of what his design will look like. Now that the wood is cut, it is time to drill our pocket holes. Since we are using a 1/2 inch wood, we are using the 1/2 inch setting on the pocket hole set. Something to keep in mind is that because pine splits easy, it's not always the best wood to use for the pocket hole method, but it is doable. We used pine because it's the only wood our lumber store sold. When you're drilling the pocket hole, be sure to clamp down the pocket hole set securely so that it doesn't move while you're drilling. That way you get nice and even holes. You can screw your project together however you want. There are other ways to do it, and you can do what's best for you. My husband used the pocket hole set method because they are strong and it gives the project a nice clean look. Make sure your pieces are flat and lined up well. Adam used a clamp to keep his in place and even. That little piece more.
To make sure that this space is the same as that space up there.
Now it's time to cut the wood pieces for the steps, as well as the siding so that your toddler doesn't fall out. This next step is optional. We just added an additional material to the bottom of the boards on the steps to add extra support and give it a little more sturdiness. Well, you guys, thanks for watching this video. I'm really excited to finally have a toddler learning tower in our home because Lila, she loves watching me in the kitchen. She just loves to be with me. I know that this learning tower will just bring so much more opportunities to bond together in the kitchen. I've even seen other moms do Montessori type things in their kitchen with their kids. I'm even thinking about painting it a different color. So if you guys have any thoughts just based on what you guys have seen my kitchen look like, let me know what color I should do. I think it'd be fun to get your guys' opinion on that. Well, you guys, I think that's a wrap. I hope you guys enjoy this project and hopefully you guys get to do this as well. Let me know if you guys have any other DIY projects that you guys would like me to try out in the comments below. I love to be able to make content that you guys want to see, so if you guys honestly have any ideas, I'd love to hear them. Other than that, if you guys haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!